Good morning, class.
Good morning,
teacher.
Okay, class, it's time to take roll. Please raise your hand. What is it? 5 plus 10. Justin.
5 plus 10 is 15.
Good job, Justin is next. Please raise your hand. What is it? 6 plus 17. Andy.
6 plus 17 is 23.
That is your last one. Please raise your hand. What is it? 90 plus 13.
Can I go to the bathroom?
No, you may not. Why do you really not giving the bathroom? No.
But teacher, I need to go to the bathroom.
Just too bad he must hold it to recess.
But I can't.
Oh 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 oh. How dare you pee on the floor? You are grotesque. Go to the principal's office right now. Hey, stop crying. It's okay. SSSSSSH.
That is your family?
No, you want to play games in X-ray effect.
You wanted that for? Wait a minute.
Then we have done your clones to give that ever right now. This is good ever happen. You Ned help my mother with 100 meters, okay, then everyone is down giving any more.
How you can help for us?
That's right. Chloe. You have 10 years off and down to home. Great.
I will go first right now.
Okay, Dr. Woman is here in principal. Okay, done. Now you will sleep. If you will be work.
Good job, doctor.
Great. Mom. Did you burp? It stinks.
That is so disgusting.
That's it. How dare you burp me on your face? You disgust for me.
Don't worry, soon, you will good to sleep after all.
No, I'm sick and tired.
Nurse and casual woman, why are you in here?
I will go home right now.
Okay, soon, he can go home right now.
Come on, you will be late right now.
Okay, soon. Go home and ready, goodbye.
Bye.
Hi, why are you sick?
I break the bathroom of the school today because I'm sick.
Oh my God. Why is that?
So, what is my name?
My name is Nurse.
That's good. Let's walk faster.
Wait, what's that on the door? Hello, why are you in here in my house?
Because it's a little sick.
Me too.
Me 3.
That sounds good. Now this is my time in row, you will get 100 meters on there. You don't do anything, you will down her. Andy is my school, where then is a teacher for 100 meters for here in 590 hours. Why, if you can do it. Now. This is not going to 692 hours, or if down, so. It mine with 100 meters will eat the Tim Tim cookies for that. Everyone do it in now, or USE 860 hours, then we'll make. This time, I had you for cursing for you, and like then we'll surprise for mother.
Yeah, I'm not worried.
Okay. You will do it 6 hours today in the next service. You he once again. Okay, I'll see you in the next time.
You know what I'm doing to me? You passed in the day for long time with 480th times.
It's 12 a.m.
Why doesn't a gun have any moment? Now it like any kill with sheriff. Doesn't
will
maybe
give as punishment.
This kill the rober for it. If you maybe will hear and taking at the school in the 10 years. I will give to basket for playing in the class. Andy and Justin is got in the recess. Then if you made it will so much perfect job on the way. On the camera Ann and Justin will say ever questions. That is made of there will made of Andy you will pass in the teacher for in 5th grade. Then I used for my life. Now you will continue to break the jail in 5 days.
Oh. Where's Andy?
There is in the school for 9 weeks. Now, if you don't kill you too. They are people most died, you even do it for in my life. Why do you even like this?
Because it is doing anymore, you even like this. That is so illegal to me that, causing trouble of this when everyone 2 demerits failed. But I can do now. We can need for now, if you see. Now it enter the hospital with ground authors to burp me on my face.
Why? I'm causing, do you move down?
Did you just, I made of. Now, before the next week.
When I get cough or in the Andy is talking.
Now I eating the Tim Tim candy.
Oh. That's okay.
Why? This is your fault.
Baby is in the school. What? They're in this.
Okay. Enter the house.
What's up, child?
I'm doing great. And what is your name?
My name is Nurse.
How many years you will take?
And now I'm giving 56 years.
And you, will above to give another strike for him. Will be in the next 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
And there is now waiting.
Hi, my name is Andy.
What's that, Andy?
I deserve to talking to you. With this my skin look that working for now. I deserve, and also, if you do it anything, with Vion City 4 in your platform. If you do, I will start over. I will make then. With Dad's home.
How? What is going?
Good night.
Hi, sir, how you can help you?
I will watch the Super Mario Brothers.